Okay, here we are again. Today I finally got a good day, not too bad of a wind. It's only like 6 miles per hour, so again it's coming at us. My flight out here before was like 18-mile-an-hour winds coming at us, so we're going to do it again today, except we're going to do it in sport mode. So let's not waste any time and let's just get on out there and try for some good range. Nice and stable. Turn recording on. And let's do this. Okay, let's get some altitude here. And aircraft power insufficient, full throttle, sport mode. I'm really not concerned about that. Everybody's getting it. Gorilla Man, if you're watching, this answers your question from my last video. Ooh, somebody's shooting a deer. One thing I'm noticing, if you look at the bottom where it shows pointing where I need to point to my quad, that's actually not where my quad is. I'm going to point to my quad and you'll see how far it goes off. I'm pointing straight at where the quad is. Yeah, about right there. So it's off a little bit, but I'm going to stay lined up with it and see what it does. Let me walk over here away from this one tree. Okay, stay right here for this range test. We're at 3,000 feet, 85% battery in sport mode. 300 feet up. Nice day. A little bit of sun there in the water. This thing really gets a nice image. FPV's nice and clear, no lag. 80% battery, 5,000 feet almost. Signal's good. Aircraft power insufficient. I really think that's just a firmware tweak they need to work on. Bring it this way a little bit. Right when I approach this park is usually where I'll get a little interference or signal break. So we'll see. $6,000 feet, 75% batteries. Might be a good day finally. "19 miles per hour. We got our speed pretty much. Wind's not bad at all, so today's a good day. Well, we'll say today's a good day after the video here. Signal's still good as I'm approaching the park. I'm going to come to the left here a little bit. 7,000 feet, 69% battery. I wish they'd make it a little easier to see the battery level. In the sun, it's a little harder to see. %67 battery. I'd be happy with about 12,000 feet if I could get that. Another gunshot. Either he's a bad shot and missed his deer. Actually, it's bow season, so he's practicing. He's getting ready for gun season. Try a little more horizon there. 10,000 feet with 61% battery, almost 10,000 feet. I'm going to cut to the right a little bit now. And if that signal starts to drop any, cancel. Now what I was going to say is if that signal starts to drop, I'm going to try raising the altitude, but right now I'm just going to keep it at 300. Got 10,000, over 10,000 feet, 57% battery. Great signal, 16 satellites, 6-minute flight so far. Can't believe I'm not dropping signal yet. 52% battery. Going for 13,000 at 49%. How far do I really want to go with this thing? I think I'm going to go as far as 45% battery. Not one loss of signal here. For me to make it to that bridge, it's a pretty big deal. Strong wind, fly with caution. And we're at 44% battery. Let's hit 14,000 feet. Okay. Let's bring her home. This is where it gets interesting, folks. Hopefully we don't have to land, well, in the water, but hopefully I don't have to go off and land off to the side in the trees. 7% battery. That's not bad. 14,000 feet, 17% battery, or 7% battery left. I could have gone a little further than that. I wish I would have tried for 15,000 feet now. But hey, when you watch the footage of this and see the screen recording, that signal did not even hiccup. So really impressed with the Wi-Fi signal on this thing. Okay. So, finally, after coming out here so many times with this, I was able to get some pretty decent range here, and 14,000 feet's nothing to be disappointed at all for a little $300 quad on Wi-Fi. Now, you look back, probably say just a year from prior to this, a year ago, we weren't doing this with the Wi-Fi quad. Not too many of them. Now there's several Wi-Fi quads out there where we can really push the distance. So this one right here is just pretty damn impressive for something that, you know, if you didn't know DJI, you'd think, oh, this is just a little toy, and then you take it out 14,000 feet. That's pretty amazing. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching. As always, I really appreciate you stopping by my channel, checking out my video. Hopefully you enjoyed this range test, and just gives us a target to try to shoot for 15,000 next time. So all you newcomers, click that subscribe button, hit the bell for future content, and again, thank you everybody. Hit that thumbs up on your way out, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.